Hello everyone, I am Doel and today I am going to teach you how to go from a plain, simple PowerPoint presentation to a fancy designer PowerPoint presentation in just a matter of few clicks. For this, we will be using AI-based technology which is integrated with Microsoft PowerPoint. So open up the PowerPoint presentation on your desktop like I have done so. Open a browser window and type in Office 365 online. Press enter and it will bring in a couple of options, not exactly in the same order, but you can go and choose the Microsoft 365 login. This will bring you to the Office 365 Cloud dashboard. You can choose the presentation option, which is the second option here. This will open up a blank Microsoft Office PowerPoint. Now, go back to the presentation you had opened on your desktop. Choose the first slide from the slide pane. Select all the slides, and it is best to use a Ctrl A to select all the slides and Ctrl C for copying all the slides. As you see, all the slides are selected now. Now go back to the Office 365 online, choose the first slide and do a Ctrl V to paste all the selected slides. This will copy your entire presentation to the Office 365 Cloud. Now you need to choose the designer option, which is on the top rightmost corner like you can see here on the screen. This will bring up a designer pane on the right hand side of the window, which has many AI-based suggestions for improving your PowerPoint slides. Like I mentioned, this is an AI-based suggestion. So, based on the content of your slide, it is going to suggest you a few images. For example, because of the canine word in this slide, it is going to show you some dog images to choose from. Also remember that some of these slides are premium, so not available for free use. However, as you scroll down, you see the See More Design Ideas option with many other options. Now you can repeat the same steps for all the other slides. It is fascinating to see how the AI tool can read through the context of the slide and accordingly suggest appropriate shape arts. As you can see, the tool is pretty addictive. You can see simple plain presentation being transformed to something which is pretty nice and fancy just by a few clicks. Once you are done with all the slides, you can save this presentation by choosing File Save As and choose the Download a Copy to your computer option. This will bring up a dialog box and then you can choose the location where you want to save this presentation on your desktop or laptop. Now you can open up individual slides and change the font color, size as per your choice and only if you wish. Some tips on the font size and style. Always choose a sans serif font because it is more readable from a distance. For the font size, choose a size of 16 points or more at least to make the slide more readable from a distance. Thank you so much for your time and I hope you found this information useful.